wrong for requesting that my brother give me $20,000 to help me pay for my wedding since he makes a lot more money than me? I, 23 female, am engaged to my fiance, 27 male. I am also the mother to my daughter, 4. I wasn't able to go to university full-time since I was raising my daughter. However, I am currently studying history online where I will hopefully be able to become a history teacher. Balancing studying while raising my daughter hasn't been easy. However, having my fiance supporting the family has really helped, since my fiance works in a research lab. We have enough money to live comfortably, but saving up money to have our dream wedding would take years. Then you don't get to have it. Or wait that long. You don't get to ask other people for their money. That's why dream weddings are called the dream. My brother, 28 male, works as a hospital doctor. His wife also works as a hospital doctor, so to say they are well off would be an understatement. My brother hasn't had the same struggles of raising a child since they both don't want any children. I don't like you calling it a struggle because I feel like struggles are things that you can't control. You chose to have a child. That is on you. I don't mind the fact that they both don't have any kids, but they have been able to save a lot of money due to this. Recently, I asked my brother if he would be able to help pay for my wedding, since having him contribute to my wedding would help make it a magical moment for me. My brother offered to give me $5,000 towards my wedding, which honestly surprised me. I might be wrong here, but surely as a hospital doctor, my brother should be able to contribute more to my wedding. I told him that I'd really appreciate it if he could give me I just found out that my boyfriend of 2 years is married and has 2 kids. I'm showing myself to his family tomorrow at his church. I've been seeing this guy, Adam, 32, for 2 years. He's from another town but visits me on weekends. I never met his family, friends, or been to his town. I know that he works at the church and he takes pride in that. 3 weeks ago, I found out that he's actually married and has 2 kids. I was devastated and in a state of disbelief, but most of all, I was mad, especially after I confirmed via his wife's social media account. We're still talking and I haven't broke up with him yet. I planned in the Am I wrong for laughing at my friend's future baby's name? My 24 female best friend, 24 female Amber, is pregnant with a baby girl, and she told me that the name was already decided, but it was a secret for the moment. She wanted to tell me first that the name she chose was Privilege. I started laughing because the name sounds really stupid to me. She is really mad at me for my reaction. I can't really ask for feedback from our other friend because I can't tell them the name. My mother thinks that the name is not so bad and that I was mean, but my dad agrees with me. Amber says that people have always told her that she is so